Using your hands, go ahead and grab a corner and pull straight out to release the clips on this 2013 and 2019 Corolla trim panel. You'll probably notice I have a small flashing light there. My battery is still connected. You're okay with that as long as you don't turn the key to the accessory position while you have these connectors unplugged, because then you'll have you'll get your little airbag light going on. So if you do unplug these while the battery's still connected, just make sure you don't turn the key to the accessory position. And all you got to do there is just press down on the Molex tabs and pull straight back. And that's for both sides. So removing these bolts here, I believe they're 10 millimeter. I usually write that stuff down, but I just totally forgot about it. But I believe they're 10 millimeter. There's 4 of them. And once you get those 4 bolts removed, go ahead and pull straight back out. If you can, put a towel over your shifter knob just so you don't scratch it by accident. Totally forgot to do that. Must have been really busy or something that day. But put a towel down so you don't accidentally scratch your shifter knob. And all the plugs in the back are the same way. You just press down the tabs and pull straight back. I think I had a hard time on one of these plugs getting it out, but same process. Just press down the tab and pull straight back and you should be good. On my next video, I'm actually going to show you how to install a stereo in this vehicle. But for now, this is how you remove the stereo from the factory dash.